Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Rajendra Kumar Nayak. A very good morning to all of you. So in this video, we would like to discuss about a recent trend in production and operation management. So without any further delay, let's get started. Uh, you know, 12 most important recent trends in production and operation management we would like to discuss. So first one is global marketplace. Everyone know about this point. Global marketplace. Globalization of business has compelled many manufacturing firms to have operations in many countries where they have certain economic advantage. This has resulted in a steep increase in the level of competition among manufacturing firms throughout the world. Then production and operation strategy. More and more firms are recognizing the importance of production and operation strategy for the overall success of their business and the necessity for relating it to their overall business strategy. And then total quality management. Total quality management approach has been adopted by many firms to achieve customer satisfaction by a never-ending quest for improving the quality of goods and services. This point is very important. Total quality management now all over world focuses on total quality management. So this point is very important. Then flexibility, the ability to adapt very easily and quickly to changes in volume of demand is called flexibility. And in product design or in delivery schedules has become a major competitive strategy and a competitive advantage to the firms. This is sometimes called as agile manufacturing. Agile manufacturing. Okay. So next important point is time reduction. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. Able to move quickly and easily. Then time reduction. Reduction of manufacturing cycle time and speed to market for a new product provide competitive edge to a firm over other firms. When companies can provide product at the same price and quality, quicker delivery, that is called short lead times, provide one firm competitive edge over the other. क्या बोला रहा है कि time reduction is very important in recent trends now because a reduction of manufacturing cycle time and speed to market for a new product provide competitive edge to a firm over other firm. So time reduction is most essential to compete with other firms. Then technology. Advances in technology have led to a vast array of new products, new processes and new material and components. Automation, computerization, information and communication technology have revolutionized the way companies operate. Technological changes in product and processes can have great impact on competitiveness and quality if the advanced technology is carefully integrated into the existing system. So technology is the most essential and very important recent trends in production and operation point of view. Then worker involvement. The recent trend is to assign responsibility for decision making and solving various issues to the lower level in the organizations. This is known as employee involvement and empowerment. Examples of worker involvement are quality circles and use of work teams or quality improvement teams. So worker involvement also very important point of view. Next point is re-engineering. This involves drastic measures or breakthrough improvement to improve the performance of a firm. It involves the concept of clean slate approach or starting from scratch in redesigning the business processes. And environmental issues. Nowadays, production managers are concerned more and more with pollution control and waste disposal, which are key issues in protection of environment and social responsibility. There is increasing emphasis on reducing waste, recycling waste, using less toxic chemicals and using biodegradable materials for packaging. So environmental issues play a significant role in case of a recent trend in production and operation management. Then corporate downsizing or right sizing. What do you mean by corporate downsizing or right sizing? Downsizing or right sizing has been forced on firms to shed their obesity. This has become necessary due to competition and lowering production, need for improvement, profit, and for higher dividend payment to shareholders. Then supply chain management. Management of supply chain from supplier to final customer reduces the cost of transportation, warehousing, and distribution throughout the supply chain. Supply chain management, a most essential point of view for recent trade and production and operation management. And now next point is lead production. This is the final and most important point in recent trade and production operation management. Production systems have become lean production system which use minimal amounts of resources to produce a high volume of high quality goods with some variety. This system use flexible manufacturing systems and multi-skill workforce to have advantage of both mass production and job production or craft production. So these are all important point of recent trend in production and operation management. In short, you can write GP, TF, TT, WR, ECSL. E for global market price, then P for production operation strategy, T for total quality management, F for flexibility, then T for time reduction, then T for technology, then W for worker involvement, then R for re-engineering, then E for environmental issues, corporate downsizing or right sizing, S for supply chain management, then L for lean production. 12 points, and this one is shortcut. To remember. Okay, so again, recent trend in production operation management. First one is global marketplace, then production operation strategy, then total quality management, then flexibility, then time reduction, then technology, then worker involvement, then re-engineering, then environmental issues, then corporate downsizing or right sizing, supply chain management, then lean production. This is it, all about recent trend in production operation management. If you write all the important point correctly, then surely you can obtain 10 marks, 10 to yes, 10 marks. So chapter 1 is very important and very essential to study. Operation management introduction. What is operating system? What are the objectives of operation management? And scope of operation management, production management versus operation management, then characteristics of modern operation function, then recent trend in production operation management. This is it. You need to remember all the points and revise as much as possible so that it is easy for you to write all the points easily in examinations. Thank you so much for watching.